I'm Ilyaas Rasool. I do integrated engineering, and I did my year in industry at Rasool. So they're a global US company, and they make brake, axle and suspension solutions worldwide. I worked in Cumbrian, so it's about half an hour drive outside of Cardiff. So I was still living in Cardiff while doing my year in industry. And they actually have a brake development department and factory based there. One of the reasons I actually chose to work there was because they have engineering, they have testing, they have prototyping, manufacturing, and also like purchasing, other departments that I got to interact with and actually got to develop my interdepartmental relationships. My actual position there was I was a product development engineer that also did testing as well, and I was actually head of the 3D printing facilities at engineering at the Rasool place. It was actually a 13-month placement too, so there was 1 month overlap where we had to teach all the year in industry incoming students what was going on and the projects that we had to hand over to them. So I'm going to talk about what I actually did there as well. So I was actually in charge of the 3D printing facilities there. So I was, expanded the 3D printing department from 1 working printer and a half working printer to 5 working printers and a nearly fixed printer. We were nearly able to fix that one by the end of the year, but that was handed off to the new year in industry student. So I was able to actually make fixtures that were put on the production line, put in the test lab. One of the fixtures I helped make helped save £2,500 over 5 weeks on the production line, just because it saved 5 seconds per brake assembly. So those kind of things just add up over the course of the weeks and months that it's going to be used. Everybody develop various software skills. I'd say if you do year in industry, just try and learn as much software as you can, because that's invaluable and you can take it forward with you. Also, I was actually able to, decide where I want to go forwards as an engineer. So I'm going to actually identify my strengths and weaknesses, what I need to work on in my year at university here, and what I'm going to be working on for my project here as well. I actually gained knowledge as well on my future career path. So I know that I'm not mechanically leaning, I'm more electrically leaning, and that's really useful for an integrated engineer to know which path they want to go down, especially as you have a selection of mechanical and electrical modules here in 3rd year. I just developed myself as an engineer and definitely matured, because you're having to work with adults. You find you have to mature very quickly, and bringing that into university, you stick to the 8-hour workday, for example, and you have a much more different attitude in lectures and attitude to university in general, and that's invaluable. That's the biggest thing I take away from my year in industry.